Today we're going to do a science experiment. In this book we got from the library, and we're going to make invisible ink. So first we're going to squeeze some lemon into a bowl.
You have already done that, have you?
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to take a paintbrush or a cotton bud and
You have a paintbrush?
Yeah, over here.
Right.
And we're going to write a secret message on the paper. And then we're going to wait for it to dry and put the hot iron on it, and it'll reveal the message.
Or will it reveal the message when you iron it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So shall we try that?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to wait until it dries, dear. Okay.
And then you can make the paper look old, it says, by using tea bags on it, like to make it look tiny.
Ah, that's why you made me a cup of tea.
Yeah, to get the tea bag. Can I have some? Yeah, that's on my paper.
But does it matter if you put the tea bag on top of the lemon juice?
I don't know, but
We'll find out soon.
yeah, we'll find out. And anyway, it's an experiment. Experiment? Yeah. It's an experiment. Yeah, so it doesn't matter what happens, it's just experimenting.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
Do you know what's the chemistry behind it?
Yeah, because lemon has acid in it.
Okay.
Lemon
So what happens? What happens to the acid? Oops. What happens to the acid?
I haven't read the rest of the book yet.
Okay, we'll read it and explain when it happens. Will we?
Yeah. That. Okay, I think it's really boring. I mean, like with the thing falling down, I go, well, I don't really know. It's a bit. Oh, well, it does make it look kind of old. See?
Okay, now maybe we should wait until it all dries up.
Yeah, but I don't know about that lemon juice on the tea bag.
We'll find out soon.
Yeah, but.
Ready?
So now we're going to heat the paper with the iron and see what happens. Mommy, my paper also? Oh, yeah, okay. Also my paper okay?
Well, I think when we put
Mommy!
tea... Yes, sweetheart, yes.
my-
Yes, your paper too. Where we put tea, it's kind of affected. The only thing I can see...
Mommy,
oh, you're too
can you
close to the
join?
iron. Only thing I can see is the L.
Where, Mommy, where?
This is Chayana's paper because she doesn't know how to write. She just put some lemon juice on it. She didn't write anything. So let's see. Well, I can't tell. I think we didn't do it very well.
Well, at least we made some old paper.
Yeah, the paper looks crisp,
My paper, Mommy.
like crisp and nice.
Yeah, like dosa.
Yeah, like dosa.
We can play restaurants.
But we will repeat the experiment without the tea bag and see what happens. What should happen, Shakana?
Well, it happens because lemon juice is an acid, and it destroys some of the paper, and it turns brown first.
Okay.